I'm going to share with you what the man himself, the man that is in charge of the YouTube algorithm, what he said some time ago about small channels. And I will also show you a proof that small channels have, an advantage currently over bigger channels. And finally, I will now suggest or give you some tips that you can use to tap into this opportunity before YouTube closes the window.
For new creators or smaller creators, because when you say the algorithm follows the audience, they worry that they don't have an audience yet for the algorithm to follow. So do we do anything for those creators?
Yeah, so we have a team that is specifically focused on this challenge of trying to identify audiences for creators that are just getting started, for videos that we don't have a lot of information about. And so, yeah, with those videos and channels, we do need to try some different approaches. The title, the description. When there are viewers that show up that seems like they might be interested in it, we'll show that video to those viewers and see which of them react. We really want to make sure that there is a path for new creators to get started. It's a metric we track, how many new creators are succeeding on the platform. We're very focused on that. We care a lot about it because we do believe that there's a lot of opportunity there with new creators coming along with new ideas all the time, and we want to help those creators be successful.
So you can see that YouTube is focusing more on small channels or new creators on their platform. So that is why you notice that small channels or new content creators on this platform are blowing up very fast. So this is true because since 2023, that's since last year, a lot of new channels have been blowing very, very fast. This really shows that YouTube is working or focusing more on new channels. And probably this could be the reason why early this year, some big YouTubers quitted the platform. Now, I'm going to show you a proof that small channels are performing very well on YouTube recommendation. So right now, I logged into YouTube with my own account. So YouTube recommended me some set of videos on the home page. So these videos that YouTube recommended to me, these videos are based on my interest, probably the videos I've watched before, or a particular kind of videos that I'm interested in, and some other metrics. So right now, what I want to show you is that currently the number of videos from small channels that YouTube is recommending is much, much higher than ever before. Normally, when you log on to your YouTube app or the YouTube website, what you normally see are videos from top channels, from big channels. But currently, it's just like the videos from small channels are fighting hand in hand to gain attention on the YouTube home page. Okay, now this is my home page. Currently, we have 8 videos being recommended to me to click on. So right now, these two videos are sponsored videos, which means that these videos are from paid promotions. Now, these remaining 6 videos are videos that YouTube has recommended to me to click on or to watch. So surprisingly, these first 6 videos that YouTube has recommended to me organically, the first channel has 4,000 subscribers, and then the third one here has about 2,900 subscribers. These are small channels compared to Jonathan Morrison, Aisha Yusuf, Being Ray George, and Wave Clips. These remaining 4 channels are big channels. I mean, these 4, almost all of them are more than 100,000 subscribers. So you can see that YouTube recommended 6 videos, and out of these 6 videos, 2 videos from small channels were recommended to me. So it doesn't end here. Let me go to the next page. Coming to the next row here, another 8 set of videos. Now this particular row is for top news. So these videos are from top news channels in Nigeria. Now let's now look at the upper row. We have 4 videos here. Now from these 4 videos, interestingly, this particular channel, 𝗪𝗲𝗥𝗞𝗦𝗛𝗏, has about 2,000 subscribers. Then this one is a video from paid promotion. This is sponsored ad. And then this next video, real estate investment guide with victory, this channel has less than 400 subscribers. Currently, that's as of when I was making this video, this channel has less than 400 subscribers. And this channel, from the verified mark here, you know that definitely this channel is over 100,000 subscribers strong. So you see, out of the 3 organic recommended videos on this page, 2 are from small channels. Let me just go a little bit further. Now here we have the big boys. I have 𝗕𝗺𝗀 𝗁𝗁 here, Think Media, vidIQ, and see another small channel. This is Israel Adoloye. This channel has about 1,000 subscribers, and you can see from the views, it just had 15 views in the past 1 hour. So you see that at every point, at every row, YouTube is intentionally recommending videos from small channels. Now let me just go a little bit further. I think this should be the last one. On this row, the first 3 videos are from big channels. From their verified signs, you will know that they are big channels. Then this last video, Abroad Laughter, this video currently has about 4,700 subscribers. You can see it's a small channel compared to the rest. And finally here, on this next rows, we have about 8 channels. Interestingly, this channel here has just 45 subscribers. This channel currently has 45 subscribers, and you can see that it has only 4 views in the past 2 days. So imagine that YouTube is spending more resources to promote small channels on their home feed. Then the next channel is this Creative Reality. This channel currently has less than 500 subscribers. And finally, 𝗪𝗪𝗥𝗞𝗦𝗛𝗏, that is this channel, has less than 1,000 subscribers. So you can see that out of 8 videos that YouTube has recommended to me, about 3 videos are from small channels. Again, I tried to open the YouTube homepage on another tab. And again, the first video that YouTube recommended to me was a video from Ruben. And Ruben currently has just 126 subscribers. So let me just open Ruben's channel so that you see this real time. You can see he currently has 125 subscribers, and it is the first video that YouTube is recommending to me. And other channels like 𝗪𝗏𝗥𝗏𝗪, this channel has about 1,500 subscribers. And 𝗪𝗏𝗥𝗏𝗪, this is one of the friends of our community, has about 1,600 subscribers. So what am I trying to prove here is that YouTube is recommending more videos from small channels. So this is just like the 2024 is the year of small channels. So if you are not tapping from this window, in my own opinion or words from my experience, I believe that this window might probably close before the end of 2025. So if you are not doing much on your channel, or you have that thinking that probably YouTube is not favoring small channels, I think it's time to re-strategize. So now you might want to ask, how can you tap into this opportunity that YouTube has given small channels? So I'm going to share with you 3 tips that can help enhance the views or the visibility of your channel on YouTube. So the first tip here is for you to optimize your video titles for YouTube recommendations, because currently, from a YouTube report, 70% of the people watching videos on YouTube are watching videos that YouTube recommends to them, and then just only 30% are watching videos that they are searching for. So what this means is that majority, I mean a very big number of people are watching videos that YouTube recommends to them. So previously, people will always tell you that if you want to grow on YouTube, especially if you are creating a new channel, you will make videos on how to. But from this YouTube report, it shows that it's just only 30% of people that are searching for what they want to watch on YouTube. So now you need to optimize. Instead of doing more of search, you need to optimize your video titles for YouTube recommendation. Instead of using a title like how to make a coffee, you can change that title to I never knew my coffee could taste this nice. This is how I made it. You can say that this title is relatable. So this is a way of optimizing your video titles for YouTube recommendations. Instead of using a generic title like how to make a sumptuous jollof rice, instead of this, you can write your title like this: I added this particular ingredient and the jollof rice tasted differently. This is how I did it. So you can see that the first one is just a normal generic search optimized video title, while the second set are optimized for YouTube recommendation. So now, while you are doing this, you must also back up these video titles with a good thumbnail. The next tip here is for you to tap into trending topics in your niche. Don't get this twisted. All niches are not created equally. That is based on audience availability. For example, a channel that is into pranking videos can gain, millions of subscribers in a matter of months. But if you are into maybe something like a tech niche, like how to build a website, you don't expect your channel to blow up like a channel that is making prank videos. You get the point. All niches are not created equally. So if you're in some niches, your channel can quickly blow up, but there's some niche you will find yourself, probably the CPM might be very high, but the audience available to watch, or audience that are interested in those niches, may be very few. So don't mistake this for blowing up. Like me, like a tech channel or a channel that talk about content creation, I don't expect to blow up like a channel that is into comedy or prank videos. So if they're getting hundreds of thousands of views or millions of views, I don't expect my channel to get that much of views. You get the point, because the people that are interested in the kind of niche I'm making on this channel are limited. But when you talk of entertainment like prank videos, comedies, millions and millions of people are interested in that kind of content, depending on the niche that you find yourself or the niche you make content on. Now, what you need to understand is that you can optimize your channel, or optimize the kind of content you make by, keying in or making content in the trending topics in your niche. So in a subsequent video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly find trending topics in your niche. Now that YouTube has opened this window for small channels to grow very fast, just like what I've shared earlier, you can see that on the YouTube home page, more videos from small channels are being recommended to viewers. So now is the right time as a small channel for you to upload more quality videos. So you can't expect your channel to blow up when you're uploading maybe once in a month or 2-3 times in a month. Recency is very, very important now, because one thing you need to understand is that when you upload a video and someone watches your video, YouTube have taken note of that in their history. So when next you upload your video, YouTube will recommend your video to them. That is your new video. YouTube will recommend your new videos to them. But if somebody watches your video today and it now took you another 2 weeks for you to upload your video, during that 14 days period, this user would have watched several videos from other channels. And then when you upload your next video, you might probably be listed among the videos that YouTube will recommend to this person. So recency is very, very important. That how recent are your videos. So this could mean that you should be uploading on a weekly basis. This particular tip is not for all type of content creators. It depends. Like if you're just a basic content creator, making your content, at least you should upload 1 videos. But in my own opinion, if you ask me, if you have the time, you can do more than 1 video in a week. That will make you, be at the top each time your viewers or people that have watched your video, each time they log into YouTube, your video will be fresh with them. And that would also make YouTube to also recommend your videos to a wider audience based on the type of viewers that are the interest of the viewers watching your videos. So another thing you need to understand is that each time you upload your videos is more or less like you are promoting your channel. When you upload a new video, YouTube will recommend that video to a new audience that haven't watched your video before. So that's one sweet thing about uploading videos. When you upload a video, YouTube, that first period that you upload that video, YouTube will recommend that video to a new set of people that haven't seen your channel before. So uploading frequently and making it very recent. So this one now, it depends on your schedule. So, but if you can improve on your schedule, that will give you an edge. We give your channel a greater or a better edge. So these are the 3 basic things that you can do to catch up with this window that YouTube has opened for small channels. This is not a time to start complaining that YouTube is not favoring you. If YouTube is not favoring you, that means probably you are at fault in creating good video titles. Probably your thumbnails are not impressive. Finally, probably your videos are not engaging. So these are another topic or another issue I'm going to discuss in a future video. But for you to capitalize on what YouTube is doing for small channels, make sure that you consider these 3 tips and you see the difference. So if this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and I would like to have your thoughts in the comment section. Have you tried these tips before on your channel? And if you have tried it, is it working for you? If you want to be part of this community, you can just hit the subscribe button and automatically you are a member of this community. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.